Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you, explain how to make a car hard reset on your iPhone. That is, how to reset your iPhone so that it restarts completely even if it's frozen. Perhaps your screen is unresponsive. If your iPhone has a button, you will need to hold down the power button and the home button at the same time, and hold it until your iPhone restarts, and an Apple will appear. If you have on an iPhone with no bezel, you press the volume button up, then down and hold down the power button. I do those motions and I get a button like this. You can do this if your screen is unresponsive. My iPhone completely restarts and the Apple already show it up. That's the easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.